Hey, welcome to the Cycletherapy. My name is Javier, and today I just wanted to give an update on the ergo seat. So I've tried it now a few times. I've gone out on the motorcycle with the new ergo seat on, and my preliminary report on this is that it's actually good. It definitely has a more comfortable feel to it. I haven't done the in-depth video yet because I haven't gone out with my wife yet, but overall, as of right now, I've taken it out on a few rides, and yes, you can definitely feel a difference with this seat on. And I'm gonna say it's not a huge difference. It's about a 35% improvement is what I can say. So is it worth it? Yes, it's definitely worth it, compared to the original stock seat, but I kind of feel that you could probably do with the money that you spent on it, you can probably take your original seat somewhere else and probably get a better result. So I like the Husqvarna brand on it, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Also, this video today is just kind of talking a little bit about that box in the back that I have back there. So I kind of did some research on a few exhaust systems that I would like to add to this motorcycle, and one option that I found was the leovince. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's an Italian brand. I believe so. It's an Italian brand, and I ordered it from the website, and I just got it yesterday. It's there in the box. So today I'm just gonna unbox it, check it out, and see what's in the box and how it comes, and just kind of how it looks, and then I'll probably do an in-depth video on the installation, how it sounds and everything. So hey, this is a quick update video, and thanks for watching. All right, so we have the box here for the exhaust, the leovince, and I ordered this directly from the website, and it was shipped by, let's see, AF1 Racing Inc. So yeah, I'll never get that from them. So let's open it up, see what's going on. All right, there. Put it on this side. All right, let's check it out. So yeah. So this is what you got. This is cool. All right. So what we got here? There. There. Phone. Wow, it comes nice and packed. It's packed, huh? Nice and has a good weight to it. Definitely doesn't feel cheap. I was able to get this from their website, and it had an extra, I think like a 10%. Had 10% discount. All right, put that right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Some registration instructions right there. Good. It was windy earlier. You can get some cool stickers with it that you can put on your bike. I wonder if these, if you put them on your bike, they fade away quickly, or time will tell, right? All right, got that right there. Put that onto here. Wow, this is really nice. Quality is really good. It's definitely like I don't know, it doesn't feel like just tin, you know, it feels hefty. That comes inside. Let's see a little bit there. Let's see the camera. There. That looks inside. Pretty cool. Sauce. Nice. Get the pipe. Card. Tool. Bracket. Spring. Lock it on. Cool stickers. Register your product, and some foam. All right, so that was the unboxing of the leovince. I think it's the LV-10 or the Vitpilen 401. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Probably be installing this, and yeah, let's see how it looks.